Okay, Natasha, so thank you for sharing all of this with me. I have taken a look at your vision for the company and what you're working on, your license. I love it. I feel like, yes, since we got those like PPP loan type situations, since then I feel like there's been quite a bit of fraud going on. And also with the rise of like the TikTok financial advice people and all these very, very wrong tax advice things that people are write-offs, all those silly things that people are hearing, I feel like this is going to be a great focus and niche for your business because of that. And by the way, my content strategy would be one of my pillars or things that I would talk about would be misinformation that is spread in the online space. And I would pick little things that people give as misinformation that gets people in trouble when you actually work with them. You working at TurboTax, even if you can't say their name, I would say from working at one of the top 3 tax preparation service companies in the US and the world. I don't know where they rank. These are the top things that I learned, and I want to share my experience and what's going to stop you guys from getting into a lot of the trouble that I see them getting into when I was doing those audits. 'Cause I think you were doing auditing. I like that. I'm laughing at you thinking about doing a workshop, but then saying you're shy and introverted. Then I wouldn't stress myself out, because a lot of times we're trying to do things because other people do them, or you see that that's the way that things seem to be done and you feel like you have to. What I envision is a little bit less of a stressful thing where maybe you can have them, it could be a mini course where at the end of the course, so like you have a designated window. You remember how I did, the Booked and Banked Accelerator, where I already had the course, right? And you would have a time period where you were supposed to absorb the course, and then we would get together to do the work together. But I knew that coming into the working, you guys already knew and had learned what I needed you to learn. So I could see you doing something like that, where pressure is taken off of teaching and more on the doing part of what the workshop would have helped them to do. And essentially they would just be estimating their taxes and you could help them with that. I like the email challenge as well, because those are just really easy to pull off. And both of these things will give you some income that you can make, especially since you have like the tracking spreadsheet and all these things. So I like it. Yeah. I feel like tax preparation just makes a lot more sense. I think when I think about how many accountants and financial people there are, the ones who do the best have figured out their lane. And if you are helping people who have gotten bad information or made bad tax decisions based off of misinformation, that carves a lane out for you, because it's not just you're the tax prep person. You're the person who helps people when their taxes got messed up, right? You are like the Olivia Pope of taxes. Like that's like, I find the issue and I'm going to help fix it. You know, I'm the fixer of the, oh yeah, you should be the Olivia Pope of taxes. Girl, I would have that be my brand. Okay, so let me know what you think.